Welcome to Homemade Science Kids. I'm here with 4 glasses in a row. They are all filled with different amounts of water. And if I grab a spoon and I tap them, they make different sounds. When the jar is tapped, it vibrates, and then the sound waves go into your ear, but the sound waves are different, and I have the sound labeled here. The least amount of water is the highest, and the biggest amount of water is the lowest. More water is a lower pitch, less water is a higher pitch. If you want to do it yourself, you can fill all the glasses with water. It doesn't matter how many you do, each one to be different. And then you can put food coloring in, and then grab a spoon and tap the glasses. It's kind of like a xylophone. On the xylophone, there's different lengths of the metal, so it makes different sounds. Bye. See you later.